Nobody asked Toyota to do this. Nobody told them to cross a luxury cabin with something that could survive the end of the world. But here it is. And once you see what's inside this thing, you won't be able to unsee it. The 2027 Toyota STORMBREAKER 12x12. And it doesn't care what you think. From a distance, it looks wrong. Too wide, too tall, too confident for a parking lot. The stance is almost offensive, like it was designed to make everything around it look fragile. 6,000 pounds of presence sitting on wheels that belong on a different planet entirely. The front fascia doesn't greet you, it watches you. Quad LED arrays cut through darkness like something that doesn't ask permission. The hood rises toward you at an angle that feels intentional, almost aggressive without trying. This is a vehicle that doesn't need to announce itself. Walk around it slowly. The body lines aren't soft, they're decided. Every crease looks like it was put there under pressure, like the metal remembers being shaped. The rear haunches flare out with a kind of quiet authority that most performance vehicles spend decades trying to achieve. From the side, the silhouette is unmistakable, long, high, planted, immovable. You don't look at this vehicle and wonder what it is. You look at it and wonder what it can do. But the exterior is just the opening act. Open the door, and everything you just felt outside that tension, that weight, that edge, completely disappears. The cabin doesn't match the body. That's not a mistake. That's the point. The moment the door seal closes behind you, the world outside becomes a theory. Quilted surfaces stretch across every panel. Ambient lighting runs in thin horizontal lines across the dash, warm and low, like a five-star lounge that happens to move at highway speed. The contrast isn't subtle. It's designed to stop you mid-thought. The seats don't just hold you. They make a decision about where your body should be and then enforce it. Heating, cooling, massage, all of it whispers rather than announces. The headliner is dark and close, not claustrophobic, but intentional, like sitting inside something that was built around you specifically. You stop noticing the outside world because the inside world keeps demanding your attention. Then your eyes find the screens. A 6-inch display anchors the center stack, flush-mounted, no bezel to speak of. The interface moves the way expensive things move, without hesitation, without lag, without apology. A second display sits ahead of the steering wheel, wrapping slightly, pulling your peripheral vision in. Every control feels weighted. Every surface feels considered. Nothing rattles. Nothing flexes. Nothing sounds like it was added as an afterthought. Toyota apparently decided that if they were going to build something this extreme on the outside, the interior would have to feel like a different product category entirely. And then you press the start button. The 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid doesn't roar on ignition. It settles, like something powerful that doesn't need to prove anything yet. 430 horsepower, distributed across all 12 driven points of contact with the ground. Not 4 wheels. 12. The 12x12 drivetrain system sends torque to each axle cluster independently, a configuration so mechanically complex, it took Toyota's engineers 4 years to make it feel seamless. On pavement, it's composed, controlled, deceptively normal. But this is where things stop making sense in the best possible way. Switch into the advanced terrain matrix, and the vehicle begins reading the ground beneath it before you feel it. Sensors across the undercarriage communicate with the suspension in real time, adjusting ride height, torque split, and damping simultaneously, not sequentially. All at once. You don't manage this vehicle through difficult terrain. You describe where you want to go, and it negotiates the rest. Most vehicles at this price point offer off-road modes as a feature. The STORMBREAKER offers them as a default assumption. 0 to 60 arrives in 4.8 seconds. In something this size, that number doesn't feel like a stat. It feels like a lie until it happens to you. The acceleration isn't violent, it's relentless, like pressure that keeps building past the point where you expected it to stop. The road doesn't feel too small. Your expectations feel too small. And somehow, through all of that, the cabin stays silent. The silence inside the 2027 Toyota STORMBREAKER feels almost impossible the first time you experience it. Toyota's engineers designed this cabin with extraordinary attention to detail, treating it more like a luxury recording studio than a traditional off-road vehicle. Laminated acoustic glass blocks outside disturbances, foam-filled door panels reduce vibration, and advanced active noise cancellation technology constantly works in the background to eliminate unwanted sound. Even at highway speeds, the cabin remains calm and controlled, creating a driving experience that feels completely separated from the outside world. What makes the STORMBREAKER truly special is not just its comfort, but the philosophy behind its design. This vehicle was built for people who refuse to compromise between luxury and capability. Instead of choosing one environment over another, the STORMBREAKER adapts effortlessly to all of them. Whether driving through crowded city streets, crossing rough mountain trails, or traveling long distances on the highway, it delivers the same level of confidence, comfort, and control. The 2027 Toyota STORMBREAKER stands as a symbol of modern engineering without compromise. It was built to outlast trends and redefine what a serious luxury off-road vehicle can become. If you enjoy discovering extraordinary machines that push beyond normal expectations, subscribe to Jack Motorlux for more exclusive automotive creations. And now, tell us honestly, has Toyota finally earned its place among the world's elite luxury off-road manufacturers? That's not an accident. Toyota's acoustic engineers treated this interior like a recording studio. Laminated glass on every window, foam-filled door cavities, active noise cancellation running through the audio system at all times. At highway speed, the loudest thing in the cabin is your own breathing. There's something almost disorienting about moving this fast in this much silence. This vehicle wasn't built for a specific buyer profile. It was built for a specific mindset. The person who doesn't choose between capability and comfort because they never accepted that was a real choice. The person who needs the machine to perform across every context, city, highway, mountain, mud, without switching vehicles, without compromise, without apology. The STORMBREAKER exists for the person who finds most vehicles too narrow in their ambition. If you want soft, there are 1,000 options. If you want something that refuses to be categorized, there's this. Toyota built something in 2027 that doesn't fit neatly into any comparison. It's not a truck trying to be an SUV. It's not a luxury cruiser wearing off-road trim. It's its own thing, operating in its own lane, indifferent to what came before it. That kind of confidence is either the result of genius or the result of not caring about the competition. And honestly, from the outside, those two things look identical. If you made it this far, you already know this channel doesn't do ordinary. Subscribe to Jack Motorlux, because the machines we cover are never the ones everyone else is talking about. Now tell me, does Toyota finally deserve to be in the conversation with the world's most serious off-road luxury builds? Drop your answer below.